Good morning guys! Happy Sunday! Blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat. Today is September 8 and ewan ko kung ma-remember nyo na today is the birthday of our Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother Mary. Happy birthday Mother Mary! Sandali, medyo madilim yata. Alexa, open the light. Ayun. Medyo maaga ako ngayon kasi wala si Kate na maghahatid sa akin. So, lalakarin ko lang yung church namin. Kayo guys, nagsimba na ba? Nag-aayos na. At para maabutan ko yung umpisa ng misa kasi gusto ko na maabutan ko palagi yung gospel ni Father. Ayan. Okay guys, see you later. Bye. Blessed Sunday. Bye-bye.